Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking in efficient settings and removing small losses. Set the fridge to 3 to 4 degrees and the freezer to -18. This balances food safety and energy. Once done, confirm door gaskets are clean and sealing, replace if cracked, because leaks force the compressor to run longer. Make sure the unit sits level with several inches clearance for airflow. Now place room temperature items strategically so cold air distribution is not obstructed, and you cut wasted cycles. You now focus on internal efficiency and heat exchange. Clean condenser coils every 6 months with a brush or vacuum. Dirty coils reduce heat transfer and raise energy use. Then organize shelves. Put the coldest items toward the back and place open liquids near the front where door openings cause least disturbance. Once organized, use thermal containers for leftovers to reduce surface area cooling and resist overpacking. Overcrowding blocks airflow, forces longer compressor cycles, and increases electricity draw. You finish by maintaining steady operating conditions and knowing when to act. Defrost manually if ice accumulates beyond ½ inch because thick ice insulates and makes the compressor work harder. Once cleared, efficiency returns. Make sure temperature is stable and listen. Short regular cycles are normal, but very long or continuous running signals a problem. If that happens, check the thermostat setting, the evaporator fan, and condenser fan. If you still see issues, call a qualified technician for a targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.